Hi and welcome to icemonkeytech. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Zhiyun Smooth X. This is a 2-axis gimbal. It comes with a few extras. Let's get it unboxed, and once I've done that we'll have a quick chat. Hi guys, so here we have the Zhiyun Smooth X gimbal. I'm going to get this quickly unboxed. This is not just the gimbal, this is the combo pack. You'll see what extras you get inside when I open this up. So let's get straight into it. Very well packaged, very nicely packaged. Nice sturdy box. Inside the box we have a bag, and in the bag we have, wait a minute now, a nice protective case for the Smooth X. So inside we actually have a foot. We have this one in white. We have your tripod foot. Stick that there. We should move the rubbish out of the way. And in here we have our USB cable. We also have our before Smooth X, please activate your product, which I believe we have to download some software to get this working, so that explains how to do that. And you also have a, that's the license, that is your service card, which I imagine is your warranty, little bag of stuff, and your and your manual, which I will seriously need my glasses for. And then we have, as well as the hard case, we actually have the gimbal itself. So let's get this open. And first impressions are, it feels very nice indeed. And we have some instructions here on how to open this, so if we'll give this a go live, and then I'll have a bit blast with it, and then we'll see how it does after that. So we'll put that there for just a second. You twist it around like that, then you lift it up, then you pull it forward, then you twist it down like that, and then you can pull it out, and there you have it. Right, so we've got that bit sorted. Let's get a phone in it, and we'll get some footage and see what I think of it. We'll also talk through some of the specs, and we'll see how it does. First of all, what I would like to say about the Zhiyun Smooth X is the fact of the size of it. It is absolutely tiny. It is very small. It will fit in your pocket, no bother. And it is also very light. It also uses a USB-C charger, which is great because most of our phones use USB-C now, so you should have something lying about that will fit it if you happen to lose the included USB cable it comes with. First of all, I'm going to talk about the build quality. Now, from what I can tell, from the little bit I've used it, it's got an excellent build quality for such a cheap item. Very robust plastics and some nice rubber feet for when you put it down, so you're not scratching those plastics. Very nice indeed. It also comes bundled with a few extras. The first one being the case, the carry case to keep it in, which is got a nice hard shell which will keep it protected, and also it comes with this, which is your tripod, so you can keep it standing in one place. Simple attachment for the tripod, basically just screw it straight into the bottom. And there you have it. We'll just get rid of that for now. Opening it up. Now, it is a little bit tricky when you first get this. It's a little bit tricky to open up. So first of all, you need to twist this all the way around. And then you need to pull it out a little bit, bend it slightly forward, twist this. You'll feel 2 clicks, and that's it. You are done. Now, to get this working, it's not simply just plug and play. You do have to download the software. There is plenty of documentation in which to let you know how to download that software. Once you've downloaded the software, it's as simple as follow the instructions, and it should get it connected. Make sure your Bluetooth's on, and you'll be just fine. More about the build quality. This is very strong. Now, I'm using a Samsung S20 Ultra. It does fit in there. Weight wise, I'm not sure it's too heavy or not. I think it's probably just about fine. This unit itself only weighs 246 grams itself, so very light indeed. So we shall put the phone in. So we've got our phone in, as you can see. I'll put that down there so we can get that proper in shot. As you can see, we have the phone in, and we're going to power it on. Keep your finger on the button until it hits 4. and then you can let go and it will automatically stabilise your phone for you, so no messing about. We shall go into the software, press the camera button, it'll have a quick search on the Bluetooth for your device. When it finds it, you just click connect when your phone lets us, and there we are, we're done and we're ready to go. As you can see, it's very smooth and it has quite a few modes. The good thing about this is all the modes are accessed from the bottom. So if we press it once, we are in pan mode, which will keep looking straight ahead no matter where we go. As you can see, it's trying to keep straight ahead wherever we go. If we press it twice, you will see it goes into vertical mode, and if you press it, it will go back into normal mode or horizontal mode. If we press it 3 times, it will center, if it's not already centered, which obviously it is. And if we press it 4 times, we will get pan, follow and tilt mode, which means wherever I go, this will go. If I twist it that way, it goes that way, twist that way, it goes that way. It just seems to keep everything very steady, which you will see as I'll put some of this footage in there. Also, if we use the side button, there's a button at the side, TW, which is zoom in and zoom out, and the record button is also on there too. You can also control the side to side pan movement using the little joystick button there, and I will also put some of this footage in the video so you can see it in motion. And then we also have object tracking, so I think we'll use that speaker up there. We'll do that and we'll go there and it will steer on that object just like that. The software that you download with this is quite simple and quite easy to use. We have many modes up down the side. We have this mode here which allows you to take, this is smart mode, which just allows you to take a few seconds of footage and then it will put them all together. I have not gone through everything personally, as it's all software, but I'm sure it'll be fun trying to learn it. Unfortunately, we've come out the app. Let's go back to the app. There we go. So from here at the side, we have our video modes, which have 720p, 1080p and 4K. We can change the mode and what we're using the gimbal in, either photo or video, by tapping the record button twice and it will go to photo mode. Tap twice again and it will go back to video mode. If we tap the button 3 times, it will switch from front camera to back camera or back camera to front camera, as you can see. Now we can use, we'll press record here and we'll do some beautification here. Apparently I might have made my eyes bigger, I'm not sure, but we'll have a look. Yeah. So what I'm going to do here is, right, we will move that up again a little bit there and we'll put this on. So we will put the eye enlargement on and I'm going to drop the eye enlargement, which is a strange feature to have, but you can, if you want, enlarge your eyes. I mean, like, do things like, this is just the brightness, and if you smooth them down you can see what it does. These are glamour effects, we'll just put it on auto. Does it look good? And we'll take them all off. Ah yeah, it definitely does work. We'll put that on auto and we'll take it off. I might start using auto for all my videos from now on. Should we? Look at that. Oh wow, that's what it looked like when I was 15 years ago. Anyway, that's enough of that. So far I've been quite impressed with this gimbal. It's very smooth, very accurate, works very well. Battery life seems to last quite a long time. Around about 4 hours, 5 hours depending on the use. I've not used this outside because unfortunately I live in England and the weather is absolutely terrible outside. But I don't really think I need to prove that it's actually quite a good little machine for the price. Amongst other good features on this is the follow mode. If we just put our fingers on the screen and we change to what we want it to follow, it will automatically follow me. So if I go to there, it will follow me and try to keep me centered in the screen as much as possible. So there we go there, and there we go there, and there we go there. So I'm sure this unit has a lot more to offer than I've explained in this video. I've yet to go deep and dive deep into what this actually little machine can do. Just remember, it is a 2-axis gimbal, not a 3-axis gimbal. So basically it works from that way and it works that way, but it will not do that way. So this is my actual first time using a gimbal. I'm quite impressed with this. That still follow me, isn't it? Which is good, because that's what it's supposed to do. It has gesture control, so you can use your hand to take a photo if you've got it set up for looking like you. And it's very, very smooth. I've took some footage of Selfie. If you haven't watched the Selfie video, I'll link it here. But I've took some footage of Selfie, so you can see how smooth it is going around, and I've compared this to footage before. So all of the footage you've been watching in this little Selfie episode has been taken using the Samsung S20 Ultra. I will label it, as you should be able to tell. Some of it was taken with the gimbal, some of it was taken without the gimbal, but all in all the gimbal wins out easily. So all in all, quite an excellent piece of kit. The only problem I had was setting it up. Now they will send you a code and you can choose whether you get this code via email or via text. Now I did choose via email, however the email wasn't coming through in time before the actual login had timed out. So I do suggest you use your phone, as you will get it almost instantly, and it saves a lot of hassle trying to set it up. The Bluetooth picked this up no problem whatsoever, very, very quickly. And like I said before, it's very, very well built and feels very, very sturdy. It's very small, it will fit in your pocket, and it's very light, so prolonged use isn't a problem unless you're using a huge massive phone like this thing. So I may make a future video on this once I get used to using it, and see if I can point out any extra features it has, and maybe include some outdoor footage, which I would really say that this is probably worth having for. So until I've had more of a bit mess about with it, it's a thumbs up from me. I really do like this. So this has been icemonkeytech. I'm Stephen. Take care. Tick like, subscribe, and share, and do all the things that YouTubers want you to do. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye for now.